Hi, Bug. What shall we learn today?
Snake Charmer. Time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Well, hello and welcome to Kids Ukulele Week 3. We are going to start a new song today, and it's about something that everybody loves. Snakes! Don't you love snakes? You don't love snakes? Some people really do love snakes. I mean, I've seen people with snakes as pets. Do you have a snake for a pet? If you do, it'd be pretty cool to see a picture of it or something like that, or at least tell us what its name is. I do not have snakes for pets. I have snakes for songs. Okay, let's look at measures 1 and 2 of our new song. It's not too hard compared to what we've been doing, so let's just see if you can learn it pretty easily. We're going to do the first measure, and it goes like this. We're going to play open A, and then we're going to put a 2, and then we're going to put a 3 on the first string here, like that. So the first measure is 0, 2, 3. Your turn. Do it again. Make sure your fingers are pressed down nice and hard and right on the points of the fingers like that so they're curved around. 0, 2, 3. And then measure 2 is going to play the 2 again. So we're going to climb back down like this. 2. And then 0. 0. Like that. Let's try it one more time. 2, 0. And now let's try measures 1 and 2, maybe even together. If you think you can play it with me, then let's try it together, like this. Oh, I should count off. Sorry. Okay, wait. 1, 2, ready, go. 0, 2, 3, 2, 0. Done. And that's the whole thing for right now. We're just going to do the first 2 measures. Listen to the counting once. We're going to do it like this. I would say this is each one beat. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So there's 3 different beats that are worth 2 beats each. Cool, huh? All right, if you think you got that, then you're done. But now you can be practicing Hot Cross Buns, and Mary Had a Little Lamb, and now the first 2 measures of Snake Charmer. Isn't that exciting? I think you're doing great. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Otherwise, have some fun playing some ukulele today. And that's all. See ya next time.
How was that? Pretty good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody, great job. That's a wrap. Nice work. Real solid. Great.